Have you ever felt bloated, had digestive discomfort, or experienced unexplained fatigue? What many people don't realize is that the gut is our second brain and is directly linked to our energy, immunity, and even mood. Today, we're going to explore whether GutOptim truly delivers on its promises and if it can take your gut health to the next level. Most people ignore the signs of an unbalanced gut, but issues like gas, constipation, diarrhea, and a weakened immune system can all be directly related to gut microbiota health. An imbalanced gut can lead to chronic inflammation, reduced nutrient absorption, and even cognitive problems like difficulty concentrating and mental fatigue. If you've tried everything, teas, diets, medications, and still feel like something is off, GutOptim might be the ultimate solution. But does it really work? GutOptim is a supplement formulated with advanced probiotics, prebiotics, and high-potency digestive enzymes. It is designed to restore gut balance, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system. Additionally, its composition includes scientifically studied probiotic strains that maximize gut colonization and promote long-lasting effects. Key benefits of GutOptim: improve digestion, reduces gas, bloating, and reflux. Stronger immunity. A healthy gut directly impacts the body's defense system. More energy and vitality. Better nutrient absorption means increased energy levels. Mood balance. Serotonin production in the gut directly influences emotional well-being. What sets GutOptim apart is the combination of broad-spectrum probiotics and digestive enzymes, which work synergistically to restore gut flora. Unlike many supplements that lose effectiveness due to stomach acidity, GutOptim capsules feature controlled release technology, ensuring that probiotics reach the intestines intact. Moreover, studies indicate that probiotic supplementation can reduce gut inflammation, enhance vitamin absorption, and even assist with weight management. I tested GutOptim for 30 days, and the results were impressive. In the first week, I noticed reduced bloating and improved digestion. By the second week, my energy levels increased, and I experienced better concentration. By the end of the month, I felt a complete transformation, more lightness, improved mood, and even healthier skin. If you frequently experience digestive discomfort and are looking for a science-backed solution, GutOptim might be the missing piece in your health journey. Is GutOptim worth it? Absolutely. It delivers real results, contains high-quality ingredients, and provides a natural solution for gut balance and overall well-being. Where to buy? If you want to try GutOptim safely, I recommend purchasing it from the official website to ensure authenticity and access exclusive discounts. Click the link in the description and start your journey to a healthier gut today. If you enjoyed this review, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more content on health and wellness.